Hi guys, this is Tim from Tim's Homestead, and I'm out here turning the chicken coop into a mini cabin. Just wanted to show what I've done so far, which isn't a whole lot. I spent a lot of time this morning picking hazelnuts. I had way more than I thought I would have, so we'll take a lot of them, the biggest ones, and I'm going to plant them and grow more seedlings, maybe to plant all around here, and then if I have extra I'll sell them. But putting the floor in this mini, I'm going to make it a mini cabin, and so I've got the plywood cut for most of the floor. It's 2 4x8 sheets, and I've been working for a couple of hours on this already. I've got to get everything ready because this isn't perfectly square, and I got to work around that. But anyway, I had to add extra pieces here for the plywood to sit on. They come on all by itself. Turn it off here. Radio just come on by itself. Anyway, yeah, I got all the floor joist work done now. What's next is going to put the I bought house wrap plastic. I'm going to put that down. Then I'm going to put down the foil insulation, staple it there. I've got to figure out how to do that because I got to do this half and then this half, because, well, you can see how I'm standing. There's no way that I can put the whole thing down and put my plywood down. I'm working by myself here too, so that's what I got going on, and I'll show the process as I go. So I'm going to shut this off, get busy, and record when I get that part done. Okay guys, I got the house wrap down. That's this stuff. Then I got the foil insulation down. This is just for me to step on here, this board, so I don't crush through in between the studs or the joists. And I got one sheet down, getting ready to put the other sheet down on this side and fit them in there. Oh, all right, I'll do a little more. Okay guys, I got the floor, most of the floor nailed in. What a job, man. This was not easy. I got to put a couple little pieces here so nobody steps in there and breaks that, because there's a stud here and there's a stud here, nothing in between. So I got to do that. I've got some OSB board there. I'm just going to use it. It's a 1/2 inch. It should kind of match up. It ain't really going to matter. Over here. Oh, do that and then get back with it. Okay guys, I got the floor in, and I got the pieces here, and I'm tired. The sun's going down. I got some stuff to put up, and I'm gonna sit here in the chair. Oh, and I got some stuff to put up, and I'm done for the night. I might sit out here a little while, watch the sun go down, but thanks for watching, and I hope you all have tomorrow's Monday. I hope you all have a great week, and I might work on this a little bit through the week. What I got to do now is put the bottom boards in for studs to nail the plywood up, and before that, I have to seal everything off. I have to come out here and seal all the holes up. And I bought spray foam to help do that too. And then I got to put up the house wrap on the inside. Then the bubble aluminum insulation, and then the boards, the plywood. Then I got to put plywood on the ceiling. I don't know how that's going to go. Them sheets are heavy. I might have to go to the hardware, the lumber yard, and see if they got something a lot lighter. I can't lift them sheets of plywood up like that. Well, anyway, guys, God bless. Have a great week, like I said, and stay safe. Just because President Trump says COVID isn't nothing, don't mean it ain't. So it kills some people. So, well, bye, and thanks for watching, and I hope to load another video next week. Bye.